In this video, friends, I will show with you how to join Outcome Memories Discord server. So friends, it is easy steps. All you have to do, go to your Discord, and then from the Discord, friends, you see this option. Just wait to see this Discord page. So friends, when you open the Discord, go scroll down easily from here option, and then you will see this option, guys, add the server. From add server, click a join. From the join, make this keyword, guys, Outcome Memories, and then click join a server. As you can see here, guys, this is the server Discord. Just wait to and complete your verification steps. Click I have read, agree, and the rules. Click submit. After that, you will see all these features on this Discord server. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. You must be member for at least 10 minutes to send message in this server. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.